Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super exciting video for you. I'm going to show you how to refer Temu a friend and earn some awesome rewards while you are at it. So let's get started. First of all, find the Temu app, now open it. Here you can see the option of View button, now tap on it. Next we are going to tap on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Now tap on to the last option, just became up one. Tap on it. Here simply tap on to refer new app users. Here you can see copy code option, now tap on it. Now you can copy the code and refer to a friend by sharing it. Next option, you can also copy the link right here and share it with your friends and family. Now go on to the one app that you want to share with your friends or family. Here I am sharing it in the Messenger app. Now simply tap on the chat of the person that you want to share. Now simply paste it on and send it. Now the referral link have been sent, and that's it. That's how you can refer Temu to your friends and start earning awesome rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.